So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to configure Fanuc ROBOT as OPC UA server. So first, you have to make sure Robot already installed this option, HMI device. So the next, you have to configure signal data type. Fanuc ROBOT for OPC UA server, the data type is based on Modbus. So you have to follow these pictures. This is the Modbus data type address for Fanuc ROBOT. So you have to follow this rule. So the next, we have to configure signals. So same, IO, digital. So for digital, you have to choose to configure the rack for Modbus should be 96. Remember? So you must choose the rack. Also for output. Once you finish this configuration, the next, you have to prepare UA export, this software. Because in these demos, I just to show you how to configure. Remember, one, confirm option installation. Second, assign signals. The rack should be 96. Okay, so the next, we prepare this software. And this is the Modbus address. You have to follow it. So we open the software, we open it, and we run it. So we add server. So basically, if you on the simulation on Robot Guy, the IP address you have to set as this address, and the port. So you have to set this IP address here. Host.com, setup, host.com, TCP IP. And as you can see, you can choose this port 1, set this IP address. Remember, this is for demo. You have to set it in Robot Guy. So after you set this, we go back to the signal. So we first test the DO. So as you can see, DO. And we add a server. Already add, and we connect successfully, and we choose address space. As you can see, we have the Modbus, so we have to find coils, and I already show you the pictures as coils, DO. Okay, find this, we find DO, this one. Okay, so we're gonna simulate on, and you will check refresh. As you can see, true, and we turn off, refresh, false. You see. So the next, we're gonna choose the discrete input. Here we're gonna go back to the input, and we choose simulate, and we can on, and we will refresh. As you can see, true, and we off, and we refresh. So false. The next, we're gonna test holding registers. So we choose here, and we're gonna find data type. R, we type the 888. Okay, then we will check. Refresh. No response. I'm gonna restart this. Restart. Wait a sec. Restart. Okay. Restart will be okay. Because simulation sometimes has problem. So we're gonna restart. Add. And this is the project. Connect. And address space. Modbus. Holding registers. So we're gonna check refresh. Why no response? So we're gonna type it. Okay, type it, and we will see. As you can see, the value already changed. We're gonna change the value. Sorry, go back. We're gonna change the value and refresh. You see, so the most important thing for this, you have to follow this address for Modbus for OPC UA server. So this is this video's content for you to master Fanuc Robot as OPC UA server configuration. And if you think useful, don't forget to make a donation on my homepage. See you next.